Up before the rooster, screens all aglow. Trades by slate, got that Christmas spirit to show. NASDAQ charts flash, sleigh bells ring. Profit targets hit, makes the bankroll sing. Live stream kicking Santa cap on his head. Slaying the prop firm's daily bread. Frosty outside, but the market's hot. Slade in the zone, giving all he's got. Christmas lights twinkle, profits in sight. Trades by Slade, ain't no silent night. Out trading elves in his own workshop. Holiday hustle, never gonna stop. Mistletoe dreams, gains running strong like reindeer dashing. Slade never wrong, wrapping up the year, green candles bright. Trades by Slade, taking flight. Snowflakes fall, but he's riding hot. NASDAQ swings, high in the sky. Morning's cold, trades burn bright. Jingle those coins, Slade's delight. Christmas lights twinkle, profits in sight.
Yo, what's up, guys? What up, what up? I think I know I saw somebody comment in here. I think my chat's messed up, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Mitch. Let's get this money. Oh, man. Let me see. Let me get some music on here. Let's go. We got the music rolling. Let me see if it sounds good. Let me see how this music's sounding. Oh yeah, boy. That music's sounding good. Dude, I think my freaking... Somebody comment in the chat. Let me see if it's working. Man, dude, we might have missed these. What's up, Mitch? What up, Casho? What's up? Man, dude, these NQ is gonna go without us here, man. Closed. Gonna go without us. No retest or anything. It's just running. We got gold right here though. Might give us a setup. But I'm just going to be paper trading this morning. Let me set it up. Because we requested a payout. It's requested. Payout request is in, boys. Morning beyond tomorrow. Mitch has a limit sale at 22,354. Let's go see. Well, let's see, Mitch. Let's see. Man, it's running. See gold here. Gold may give us a good setup. Let's see how this goes. Oh, Casho's in a gold sale. What's the time where you are? 3:09 a.m. It's 3:09. Man, dude. I would like to see this come down in here. Come down in here and then buy it up maybe. Let's play the Wordle real fast. Let's get on the Wordle. Real fast. Oh, man. That's not a word. I'm trying to try different letters and stuff. S-T-S. Spec. Oh man, there was a T in it. I'm stupid. Okay, at least we got that out of there. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. Look how perfect this is playing out here. Man, dude. What is this word, chat? I need some help. What's up, SK Sarif? What's up? Look at this. Are we creating a little bear flag here? Gonna come up like this and then dump it on gold. Mitch is in a cell here. 54. Looks like he caught near the top here. Looks like Mitch almost caught the top there. Man. Look at this. Look at gold. Is it gonna come back up here now? Man, what's this word? What is this word? We got three letters right there. Bang. Let's go, boys. Woo! We got it. We got it. Let's go. Look at this, man. Come on, dude. You're gonna leave without us here. Target one on NASDAQ acquired. Target one on NASDAQ is acquired. Target one on NASDAQ is hit. Man, we didn't even get an entry. Dang it. Somebody gives Sarah a 50K starter. I'm not Santa Claus. I'm Santa's helper. Okay? I'm not Santa Claus. Uh-oh. We might be getting some gold buys. We might be getting some gold buys. Casho got smoked on his gold sale. Yeah, man. See, I was waiting on it to break out of this range here. But we might be entering here in buys here. Come on, dude. Don't leave without us here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is why we wait on a closure. This is why we wait on the closure. Oh, buddy. Look at this. Oh man. Look at this. Let me see how this trend line looks right here. Was this just a liquidity grab to come down? Let's see. Look, I'm focusing on gold here. I'm focusing on gold. Santa, do a giveaway. I'm not Santa. Will you give me an account? Will you give me an account, buddy? I want an account. You're bankrupt. Oh no. I think I hear the Walmart siren. That's where I got this hat from. I got this hat from Walmart. It's my day job. They give these hats to all the Walmart employees. Man, dude, look at this. Ah, can't believe it. Can't believe it. Didn't give us an entry. We're waiting on gold here. We're waiting on gold here. I'm gonna go get a coffee. I'm gonna go get a coffee, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, look at this, though, guys. Look at this. Bang. Look at this. Bang. It's in. It's in, boys. Now we wait. Alright, waiting on gold here. I'm gonna go get a coffee. Be right back. Uh-oh. No bottom wick on this 30-minute though. No bottom wick on this. What do you guys think is going to happen on the gold or NASDAQ? Let me see here. We might be breaking a... see. See, because we could also say that this is a valid trend line right here. I'm actually gonna keep that one. Only thing is, this 30-minute doesn't have a bottom wick here. Thinking about entering gold buys. Yeah, gold does. I need to wait on a closure above this range, honestly. Gold rally and NQ sell, Mitch says. SK says NASDAQ gonna come down. And let's see. Yep. Mitch, it's 3:37 a.m. here. Oh, hang on. Let me check out this range. Three. 315. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at this. Oh man, might have missed it on. Three. Gold looks like it's about to close above here. What's up, D? It's 6:37 p.m. there, Mitch. Where are you at? 6:37 p.m. What in the world? Where is that? What a rejection there on gold. Didn't close above. The West Coast cash show? What time is it there? Isn't it like what is it, like 11:41 there? Or something? That ain't bad. It's still nighttime. Oh, it's 12:45? Yeah. So I mean, London session isn't bad for you though, cause unless you go to sleep early. I could stay up late though. Man, dude, I was gonna enter here. I really want to see a drive into here. I really want to see it come like it might just go up, but I really want to see it. Do something like this. But it's not going to. In the NQ, I want to see it do about the same thing. Nah, we'll get a move. Between 4 and 5. If we don't get a move before, then between 4 and 5, we'll get a move. We'll get enough of a move. We'll get some kind of move. It's just what we get in it is the question. Will we get in it? FOMC today? Yes, sir. Let me go send the daily Bible in the Discord, man. Gotta make sure we get on it. Let's see if we can get a little drive down into here. I want a little drive down, man. It might just go, but I want it. I want a little. We're enter something here, boys. We're gonna get something today. That's a fact. If this doesn't come down in here, we'll wait on a closure above here. Patience pays, boys. Patience pays. This break here would have been nice. Let me see. Didn't close above there still. I'll tell you what I'm looking at also here. I'm kind of looking at some NASDAQ buys. I look at the 5 minute and 30 minute. My time frames are the 5 and 30. I'll mark out some serious levels on the 30 minute, but you know, to mark out levels, you can look at the 1 hour, but I'm literally in and out of trades, and I try to be out in like 10-15 minutes. So I try to be out in like 10 or 15 minutes, so I don't really focus on the 1 hour because I don't want to be in a trade for a couple hours, so I don't want to be looking at the 1 hour. Yeah, Casio. Well, I draw them from the higher time frame. So I'll start on the 4 hour and then work my way down. You know, this is a higher time frame trend line, this one right here. But a lot of times I'm focusing on the 5 minute trend lines. But I keep in mind these I draw them on the higher time frame. So like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. And I just keep those in mind in case we get closer. Those can be like targets for my positions. But for entries, I mainly focus on the 5 minute trend lines. Look at, oh dude, NASDAQ's dumping. Okay, so this is what I wanted. Let's see if we get it, or if it's gonna sell off here. I want this right here. I want it to bounce off of here. Oops. This is what I'm wanting from NASDAQ. I wanted to go like this. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. This is what I want. It may just dump, but we'll see. If it starts breaking below this trend line, it may take sales, but I'd rather it be like this. That's what I'd rather have. We'll see though. Let's go, Mitch. Nice trade, buddy. You entered like what, right here? 354. Nice trade, buddy. Closing below here. We're in an uptrend. This is tough because we're in an uptrend. Let's see. Let's see if it pops back up here. We might have something on NASDAQ here. maybe some sells, maybe some buys. We're gonna get what I called out here. Break above and go. Look at gold. Gold's breaking above there now. I actually want to see it run all this, come back down into here. Look at all this trend line liquidity we got. So this is what I want to see. I want to see this come down like this and then come back up. We'll see if that happens though. All right, we might be entering buys here. We got the new candle in 2 minutes. We're about to be entering some buys here, boys. We got 1 minute. Gold might be giving us our move here. Come down into here. NASDAQ rejecting this zone here. Yeah, we'll get in that position here soon. Feel it. Can feel it. The next 5 to 10 minutes, we'll be in a position. How did you learn to start day trading? Watching YouTube videos and then just doing it. Main thing is just starting to practice doing it on your own. That's the main thing. You got to get out of the you start by watching YouTube videos and then you have to actually do it. You have to actually do it. That's how you really learn. You get into it by watching YouTube videos. You get good by stop watching YouTube videos and start learning on your own, taking your own trades, watching the charts. That's how you get good at trading. All right, let's see if gold gives it to us. I wanted to tap into here, man. It's exactly what I want. Come down into here. All right, yeah. All right, I'm gonna put in sell stop right there. All right, we're in NASDAQ sales here. We're in NASDAQ sales. Breaking the upward trend line. We got a downward trend line right here. Stops will go to break even right here. If we make it down here. All right, stops to break even here, boys. Stops to break even. Right there. And we'll let it ride. Oh yeah, baby. Come on. I'm gonna trail the stop. Trail the stop right there. Boom, baby. That's a win. We got a win here, boys. Let's go. Quick 300. Bang. And that's how it's done right there, boys. That's how you scalp it. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Bang. How much was that? I mean, this is because we're waiting on I don't know how to see. 220. We made 220 on this. Could keep, it's probably gonna keep going, but just I knew that was a key area, so let me see. Bang, boys. Let's go. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. See you, Bear Bull. Have a good one, buddy. All right. Let's see. Bouncing off this exactly how I said it. Let's see. Let's see if we can get something here. Broke out of the trend line, retested it, and now let's see. May get a position on gold here too. This candle closes above this line here. Look there, perfect. Played it down to the bottom of the range there. Nice little range play on NASDAQ. We called it. It could break back, but look at there. We would have been back in drawdown if we stayed in it. So I feel like that was a great play. Great play there on the NASDAQ. See if we can get in the gold here. I really wanted to get a tap in below here, somewhere in here. But we don't get that and we start to close above here, then man, could have stayed in this. I could have re-entered actually right there. Could have re-entered. It's fine. Could have re-entered. All right, let's see here. What's up, Justin? Caught a little NASDAQ. Caught a little NASDAQ scalp here. No drawdown trade. No drawdown on this trade. Yeah, dude, I'm from Alabama. From Alabama. Let's see. See ya, Pablo. Justin, you're from Arkansas? Let's go, man. All right, this is kind of what I want to see here. This is kind of what I wanted to see. See if it plays out. Wanted to tap into here and start coming up. Look at this. Look at this perfect range line here. Bounced right off of our range line there. Wait, why do you have so many payouts pending or denied? So these are all pending. And these are all the same accounts that got denied right here. These are the last ones that got denied. I went too far in a drawdown in one trade, so why these got denied. Had to trade 8 more days and requested this morning, so now they're pending. Yeah, I mean, they clearly state out the rules. You're not supposed to go more than 30% drawdown in one trade, and I did. And I knew I did, but I still requested just in case, they missed it or something. But I knew I was going to get probably denied, and I did. So then I just had to trade 8 more days and I had to trade 8 days and get $50 for 5 days to get the consistency. So then I put in another request this morning. This one should get approved. I followed all the rules. Should get approved. So, and then we also made a little bit of money, so we get to request more money this time. So that's good. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect exit on NASDAQ. Here we go. Just like I called out here on gold, maybe. See, we wanted to tap into here. Want to come up. Come up. Let's see if this will play out. Or if it's going to break these lines and come down. I have TP at 2271.50. Jim, sleep and wake up for FOMC at 5 a.m. Trade safe, everyone. Great stream again, Slade. Appreciate it, Mitch. Let's go, buddy. That was a nice trade by you. Congrats, dude. Hell of a trade. 354 where Mitch got in. Great trade right there by him. Have you ever tried Top Step or My Fun and Futures? Yeah, I tried them. I don't like the two day to pass on Top Step. Uh, Apex, I like to just pass them in one trade. I like My Fun and Futures straight to funded accounts. I like the straight to funded accounts on My Fun and Futures. I hate evals. I just hate evals. I like Tradeify, Tick Tick, and Apex are my favorites. TickTick's another straight to funded prop firm like Tradeify, but they're actually better at the moment because you only have to get to $7,500 to get to a payout, whereas Tradeify, they changed the rules and now you have to get to 9,000 in profit on the 150Ks to get the payout. Exactly, John. Yeah, exactly. It's actually 3 days because it's so hard to get it exactly 50%. I mean, they have a little leniency, but still, I don't know. It's just harder for me to pass the top step evals. All right, I'm gonna have a buy limit here on gold. I have a buy limit here on gold. Hopefully it comes back and lets us in. I was debating on doing a market order. Maybe I should have. Come on. It's gonna go without us. Man. Why do you trade at this time? Do you sleep through the day? No, I work through the day, Bella. I work during the day, so I have to trade early. Alright, let's see who wants to come let us in here. Yeah, my dad owns a store. My dad owns a store, so I have to. I don't have to, but it's nice to help him. Oh man, might have missed this. Should have just market entered. Dang it. Dang it. Waiting on NASDAQ to close below here. Gold. Maybe it'll come back and let us in. But is this not exactly what we called out earlier? We wanted it to dig down deeper into here, come up. Exactly what we said earlier when it was like right in here. I said I wanted it to dig deeper into here and then start coming up. We're in. If it starts breaking below this here, may close it. But until then, we are in. Hopefully it can drive. Want to see a drive up. Want to see a drive up. Want to see a drive up from here. Maybe the new 30 can give us that drive. All right. And if it gets to here, I'll go to break even. New 30-minute right here. Like to see it come down, make a little bottom wick, and start driving. $30 closing above these ranges here. Really want to see a drive now. See a drive up. Fine. 30-minute making bottom wick. Now we want to see a drive. Got that bottom wick. Now go. Come on, baby. Let's see a drive. We need a break through there. We need a break. Needs to close above here. Got a fair value gap right here. That's what's holding us up. Come on. Come on. Really holding up here. Ugh. Come on, let's see it. Let's see it drive. Push up. Let's see it break through there fast. Don't want to see it breaking this trend line. Don't want to see it break this upward trend line here. All right, I'm gonna go get a coffee. Be right back, and I hope it is. I hope it's flying by the time I come back, and not hit our stop. Be right back. went for the Propel instead of the coffee. Propel. Just waiting here. What's NASDAQ doing? Oh man, dude, we missed the move on NASDAQ. Break above. Breaking out of the trend line, break above. Man, there it goes. There it goes. Maybe gold's trying to go here. Let me see. So I had this trend line drawn here, and so when it closed above here and above the range, I would have entered on this wick down probably. And then, to be honest, I probably would have got out when it tapped this, or at least moved my stop to break even, because we have this long-term trend line I had from this high to this high. We got this trend line, bang to bang. So I probably would have been in somewhere around here, and then here I would have moved my stop to break even, and it looks like it would have been almost a break even here. I would have been in around somewhere here, and I would have been targeting up here. If I had multiple contracts, I would have took some off at this target 1, and since I had this trend line here, I would have move my stop to break even when it hit that trend line, because it could reject off of it like it's doing and continue down. So I would have been at like break even here, but it may also want to come tap into this fair value gap. So, but I still would be at break even. But I would have been in somewhere around here, because it broke this downward trend and broke our range line here. Let's just watch that. But let's watch over here first. Gold's just ranging, man. Need a break. Need it to break. Break out. Yo, thanks for the sub. Let's go. Thanks for the sub, Kev Brado. Let's go, man. I need to get out of this gold trade. It's just ranging. It's not moving. I mean, it's not like it is breaking this trend line, because as you can, if you see, we're just in a range here. So a lot of times when it breaks a trend line, you really just want to see it like kind of V-shape almost. When it gets into this range thing, a lot of times the trend line breaks aren't valid. So when it's going like this, it could break the trend line and keep ranging like this and then keep going up. When you see a trend line break, you want to see it more like this right here. Like it's coming down. Or let me show you. When you see a trend line break, you want it more like this right here. Came down and then just straight up. You don't want to see a trend line break when it's ranging. So I mean, this is still valid here because it's just ranging. It's not like it's, you know, fast breaking this trend. So I mean, the trend could really just be over here somewhere. But let's see if this trend line break is true and it's going to come down and stop us out. It never did close above our range line there. It'd been nice to see. Really need a closure above our range line to start feeling confident about this trade. Yeah, if I go live at 3 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, Kether, that's my strategy. It works pretty well too. It's my strategy. It's what's helped me get all my payouts. A lot of trend line trading. Because with trend line trading, you can have tight stops and huge targets. And you never know where your targets are going to be, because you can target these things, or you can just ride the trend until the trend line breaks. So you could be riding the trend and it could just keep going up till the trend line breaks. That's what's so great about trend line trading. You can get way more out of your trade than you originally anticipated just by riding the trend line until it breaks. And then you can also have tight stops because you can have like when it starts to form the trend line, you can have your stop placed below the trend line. Well, I mean, when a trend line breaks, it's always going to be a lower low. I mean, a lower high. And where is that? Oops. Dang it. I mean, this is actually a higher high. I mean, a higher low. See, we got a low down here. No, it's equal low. We got an equal low right here. So it's not a lower low. We got an equal low. So it's not a lower low. We got an equal low. And then we started making higher lows. So higher low, but this is a lower low. You talking about right here? Are you talking about right here, Kether? So this right here, I picture this as a liquidity grab. So I picture it's grabbing liquidity from here to drive higher. This is a fair value gap. So I explained all this before I even entered the trade. When we were right here, I said I wanted it to drive down into this fair value gap and then continue higher. So right here, I picture this as it's grabbing liquidity here, faking out the sellers, making them think that it's going to go down just to drive higher. If this is what you're talking about, Kether. So yeah, this is a lower low, but in my mind, it's a liquidity grab. But we'll see. It may be a lower low to go down. We can start breaking above this line here, we'll really start driving. Break and retest, then re-entry for the high to fail around the 0.786, 0.886. Now time for breaking the trend line. Seems like a strange trade to stay in, but you echo not being sure on it as well. Yeah. I mean, it's not doing exactly what I wanted, so that's why I'm not sure of it. But it's just consolidating right now. And what happens a lot of times, yeah, I'm not saying yeah, I'm understanding what you're saying. But for me it's just still valid because to me this is just ranging, and a lot of times when it ranges, it'll range and continue the move. But I mean, it could very well just come down and stop us out. It's just it's a risk I'm willing to take, because if it comes up, it could go way higher. Just probability. But yeah, it could very well just come down and stop us out. I mean, ideally, I would have liked it to, break above this, come grab this, and just start driving. But it isn't doing that. It's more ranging right now. Maybe in 7 minutes we can get a move and not get stopped out before then. But on the 30-minute here, we closed above these levels here, so you know you really like it start coming up. We'll see. We will see. Because when I took the trade, I was confident in taking a full stop right here, $320. So could make 820. So let's just see. Let's just see how it plays out. The what I wish it would have been in was this NASDAQ trade. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang. Yep. I guess it was a valid lower low there. Maybe it's fair value gap holds. I mean, I should have really waited on it to close above our line here, our range line. We have this range line. You really want to see it closure above there to really be confident. But I just figured when we started breaking out of here, it looked good to go up. M pattern playing out. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Got the M pattern. It's looking like the old M pattern. We'll see. let's see. We got 1 minute till the new hour. 1 minute for the new hour. Well, 14 seconds. See what happens. Make it a crazy move. Can we get a drive up from here? Can we get a drive? Can we get a drive? I mean, this could just be. This could just be a, a bull flag. Coming up, bull flagging to move higher. Just simple terms here that could work. We got to move. We could just be bull flagging to move higher. But I mean, it could just come back down. But could be bull flagging. Bull flag, move higher. We'll see though. It could also be an M pattern. Could be an M pattern to come down. Does anybody play like Call of Duty or any video games? Does anybody play any video games? I was playing Call of Duty for a hot minute, but I haven't really had time lately. Oh yeah, I like the new COD. I was playing it like every day, especially when I wasn't. I took like 2 weeks off of streaming. Holy cow, Kohler! 150 Prestige Master. When I took like those 2 weeks off from streaming, when I was waiting on trade setups, I'd be playing COD on the side, waiting on trade setups. But now I just don't really have time. I wake up in the morning, trade on the stream, try to take a nap before work, and then go to work, and then get off work, go to the gym, and then come home and go to sleep. But yeah, I like the new COD. I like the new COD. Sammy, I make jewelry. I make jewelry for work. Hardly play ever, either trading or out with my dog at the park or hikes. Yeah, same. Let me see if I can show you some of the jewelry I made. So this is one I just finished. This is one I just finished here. A little double hidden halo. Here's a pretty cool one. Oh, here's a cool one. This is my mom's ring. I made my mom's ring. Got diamonds in the tips of the prongs. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I made a catfish one time with diamonds in the eyes. Somebody wanted a catfish. Here's a cool scorpion ring. But yeah, it's fun. Okay, let's go, baby. Can we get a drive here? Come on. Can we get a drive on gold, finally? Wendy, my dad owns a jewelry store. So he got me into it. Sent me to school and stuff. Rookie traders, it's you know, it's cheaper to just buy chains. So we just buy the chains from like the wholesaler and sell the chains. Cheaper to do it that way. Can we see a drive on gold? Dude, Dr. Dollar's thumbnail was sick today. Look at this thumbnail. How cool is that, dude? That is sick. He got his face in a $100 bill. And then he's got a little detail right there. London session. That's cool. That was cool. See, so whoever was asking about my entry, I would have had it under there. When it hit this trend line, would have been stops to break even, wouldn't have been stopped out yet. And then it looks like it might be trying to break this downward line here and continue higher on NASDAQ. So it seems like that would have been a good play. We had like a perfect exit here on this short. Looks like the longs are trying to play here. Don't expect too much because there's FOMC today, so I don't expect too much movements. But hopefully we can start breaking this trend line on gold and start driving higher. You trade crypto? No. Funny story about crypto. In like 2017 or 2018, I was at Disney World with my family, and I didn't have that much money at the time. But I remember Bitcoin being, it went up, I forget, like 20,000 or something, and then came all the way down to $3,000. So I was gonna buy a whole Bitcoin while I was sitting at Disney World, and I chickened out. Kicking myself about that one now. I was gonna buy one whole Bitcoin in like 2017 or 2018. Forget which year. But come on, gold. Let's see you drive here. Can we drive? Let's drive, baby, drive. At least we know we got a new. We'll leave that there just in case it wants to reject off of that, but we'll draw us a new trend line here. See, I also like to leave the line because a lot of times it can reject. But you see what I'm talking about? Like, if we would have had our trend line drawn here, you can tell this is just a range. And a lot of times in a range, it'll do this and then continue the move. Dang, rookie trader, you must have some crypto. Do you trade it, or do you just you buy and hold? Or are you actually trading it? You trading it like futures? Can it hit our break-even point here? Can gold hit our break-even point? Minute and 30 seconds. Can it close above here? Can we get a closure above here on gold? Can we get a closure above? Long on so. Nice, Solana. 215.40. What's it at? What's it at now? What's it at now? Come on, gold. Let's see you drive. So now, from this point, now that it started the drive, nice. From this point, now that it started the drive, my risk is gonna move along this trend line. So now I can even start to move my stop loss. I can start to move my stop loss. Because as it comes down here, I don't want it to break below this line now is what I'm saying. I don't want it to break below this line here. So now I'll start moving my stop loss with the trend line. With this upward line right here. Is it gonna be a fake out? A fake breakout here? We're gonna have a fake out on our hands. Or is it gonna drive? I'm gonna move my stop up here below this candle. Don't want to see it come back down there now. Move my stop right there. Don't want to see it come back down here now. I just wanted to drive. Your messages are lagging. Well, I haven't looked at it. When you think this bubble will pop, also check out QUBT for stocks. I don't know when the bubble's gonna pop. Seems like it just wants to keep going higher. Before this next 5-minute hits, I'm just gonna go ahead and move this up to break even. I'm gonna move this up to break even. So if it's gonna go, I just want it to go. So now I'm at break even. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it at break even and hope it drives. I'm gonna delete this. And hope it drives here. Got our stop at like $20 in profit. Warren Buffett's been selling. Might get stopped at break even here. That's fine though, because the trade ain't even doing. It's not that we wanted to. When we wanted to see it, we want to see it move fast. So break even stop's fine. If it wants to. We got stopped out at break even there. Alright, that's gonna be it for me. I'm about to get out of here, and it's perfect timing because my headphone just died. So, hope you guys have a good day. Make sure you, oh, let me see. Hope you guys have a good day. Make sure you join the Discord down below. And if you pick up any prop firm accounts, use code SLADE. And use code SLADE. And thanks, Max. Thanks. I hope you have a good day. I hope you do. But yeah, hope everybody has a good day. And I hope Max has a very good day. And see you. Have a good one.
Up before the rooster, screens all aglow. Trades by slate, got that Christmas spirit to show. NASDAQ charts flash, sleigh bells ring. Profit targets hit, makes the bankroll sing. Live stream kicking Santa cap on his head. Slaying the prop firm is daily bread. Frosty outside, but the market's hot. Slade in the zone, giving all he's got. Christmas lights twinkle, profits in sight. Trades by Slade, ain't no silent night. Out trading elves in his own workshop. Holiday hustle, never gonna stop. Mistletoe dreams, gains running strong like reindeer dashing. Slade never wrong, wrapping up the year, green candles bright. Trades by Slade, taking flight. Snowflakes fall, but he's riding hot. NASDAQ swings, high in the sky. Morning's cold, trades burn bright. Jingle those coins, Slade's delight. Christmas lights twinkle, profits in sight. Trades by Slade, ain't no silent night. Out trading elves in his own workshop. Holiday hustle, never gonna stop.